Good morning. I am Suveda Kakade, English lecturer at Kelis GI Bagewadi Arts, Science and Commerce College, Nipani. In this video, we are going to deal with the topic characteristics of English language. As we know that English language has been widely popular all over the world owing political, economic, historical reasons. So now English in this present age occupies the prestigious place of being international language, and this language has characteristics, the features of being a global language. And the first and foremost characteristic is the extraordinary receptiveness. The first outstanding characteristic feature of English language is receptiveness. So this is regarded as extraordinary feature of the English language because English has not only accepted but also adopted various words from other languages like French, Latin, Greek, Asian, European, Indian and Japanese languages. And French, Latin, Greek languages are called as classical languages, and other languages are like Asian, European and Indian. And English language has adopted various words from these classical and other languages. And then the next characteristic feature is adaptable heterogeneousness. Now here heterogeneousness means being different. In Kannada we say it as vaividhyate. As we know that English is not at all a pure language because it has accepted and adopted various words from other languages. For that reason we can call English language as heterogeneous language. Like English is mixed language having absorbed various words from different languages. While accepting the other words from other languages into English, they have accepted and adopted various words from other languages, and they have retained some of their meaning as it is in English language, and some of the original words of other languages have been changed, and they have even changed the spelling and pronunciations of those words and then accepted and adopted it into English language. The third feature is simplicity of inflections. Inflections means, as we all know about the affixation, it has like with the help of affixes. In the affixes we have two sets, prefix and suffix. By using prefix and suffixes one can create various words and one can increase the vocabulary. For example, I have given here only one example as friend, and by adding suffix ly we can create one more word as friendly. So in this way English has created various words and now it has a lot of words in English language. Moving to next feature, fourth feature is fixed word order. So we know that English language has the word order as SVO pattern, sentence pattern SVO, subject, verb and object. If we do a slight change in particular word order, then the sentence can create ambiguity, a different meaning. For that reason even we can consider that English language has a fixed word order. And not only English, even other languages are having the same feature as fixed word order. So moving to next feature, here we have the next feature as fifth one, usage of preposition and periphrases. So the meaning of periphrases is like we choose two words descriptions instead of one. For example, instead of saying grandmother, we prefer saying mother of my mother. So this is the one more feature of usages of periphrases. And we all know about the prepositions. So the particular prepositions and periphrases have created one more feature as the moving to last feature, the development of new variety of intonations. So intonation means stress and rhythm rise and fall in the pitch level of the voice. So when we are asking anything, when we are speaking, sometimes we give a stress and intonations to particular words, and that is nothing but intonations. So this is included in the characteristics of English language. It is last but most significant quality about English language is the great development of intonations to express different shapes of meaning. Intonations can easily change the meaning of the sentence completely. That is the important thing. This is comparable to a vast use of intonation in other methods of expressing the feelings of a person. These are the 6 major characteristics of English language. Thank you.